Bonjour, it's Anne. Today I want to talk about customer service because it is something where you can make a lot of difference. So if you're handmade, if you have a handmade business, okay, and if you're selling your own creations, the thing that is important is to create a customer fandom, I was going to say, but okay, customer basis of people who will buy again from you. Why? Because it costs a lot less to have a return customer than to acquire new customers, whichever way you do that. It's a lot more work to acquire new customers than to have return customers who love your products and who will buy over and over again from you, especially because they tend to buy more and more with each order, okay? So, how can you try and convince the people who buy from you for the first time that they are going to buy again? So first, of course, they have to be satisfied with their order. And one thing where you can make the difference is to provide stellar customer service, okay? And to take them from the moment where they place their order to the moment when they receive it, and pamper them the whole way so that they can feel that you care, okay? So many companies now who sell on the internet give you the feeling that they absolutely don't care about you, that you cannot get in touch with anyone, especially if an order goes wrong for some reason, and it's completely impersonal. And I don't know, it's probably happened to you, but it drives me crazy when I order something from a website which says it's in stock, and then I wait for 2 or 3 weeks and nothing happens because this product wasn't in stock and they have to stock it before they can send me, and no one sends me any kind of message to explain that, okay? And that really drives me crazy, and usually it also drives me off that website forever, because I don't like customers being taken for a fool, okay, for fools. So as a small company, you have the possibility to do that differently and to give your customers a personalized experience. It doesn't require you to spend hours on it, okay? And it doesn't require you to bombard them with emails either. What I do in my Etsy shop, I have an automated conversation which goes out as an order confirmation, which gives them basic guidelines and tell them I'm not in the same country, so probably not in the same time zone. And so I will get back to them to tell them when I'm going to ship their order, but there might be a little lag time because I'm not in the same time zone, okay? Then when I get to the order and I see the confirmation, I will send them a 2-line email. It doesn't have to be more, and it's a template that I have, so I just have to copy and paste. It takes seconds really to do it, but it states precisely when their order will go out, whether it is a made-to-order order or a ready-to-ship order. Because if you have, I don't know, 1 to 3 business days as your processing time in your Etsy shop, people don't all count these processing these days the same. I know in the US you can mail things on Sunday. In other countries you can't, okay, because the post office is closed from Saturday to Sunday, and so you have to wait for Monday. And so to make sure that everyone is on the same foot, okay, so to speak, tell your customers, okay, just two lines, one message, 2 lines, just okay, thank you for your order. I will prepare it on that date and ship you, and I ship it on that date, and I will update you when your order has shipped. So when the order has shipped, I of course make use of the mark shipped feature on Etsy, but I attach to that again a little personalized note saying your order has shipped. If you could let me know when it arrives, it would be great. And I like to know my packages arrive okay, and thank you. It doesn't have to be long again, and it's not one more message, because it's one that they will get anyway when you click the item has shipped button from Etsy. Just you can personalize it, and it makes a whole lot of a difference. Okay, so give them the experience that you would like to be given, and this is what is important, really. Okay, so don't forget to register before you go. I think there might be a little picture of me appearing somewhere here, and if you click on it, you'll just subscribe right away. Okay, and check the links below this video, in particular the free trainings by my business coach Renee Christine, who taught me all that and a lot more. Okay, and specializes in handmade businesses. And I'll see you next time. Au revoir.